like this, so they don't enter SARS like this, so they don't shoot, they don't shoot, they don't shoot,
Let's go, Commander.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
What you might call the killing field as well. The killing field.
Open that, open them.
Then bring the outline.
This is an interrogation room. Please, who has a lighter? The interrogation room. There should be light here.
When the interrogation here, people will see it to experience. The lawyer will be here.
It would have been nice to have a light here. This would have been
There's a light here.
This journey looks new. The place looks. This is new. This is new. This is new. Everything here is new. Everything here is new. They're showing us the new modern facility. Excuse me.
Oko, come and open this second interrogation room. Open the second interrogation room. This is the second. Open it.
This is not this room. Everything. Look at the chair. The chair has very unused.
This light, it's your light.
Yes. They quickly refurbished it. This is the new interrogatory room.
Yes, this type of technology.
Where is the old one? Yeah, this is the new one now. It's really. It's raining.
Okay. Yeah. This is so that I will not follow.
Oh, that have been here before.
No, we have to go down.
If I come back now,
This is the famous entrance.
Where is the?
We are at Anambra State will make a pronouncement here
Your Excellency,
next couple of minutes.
the Executive Governor of Anambra State.
Just come back. Take this for me.
Focus on this.
They are standing before you the most youth-friendly governor in Nigeria.
Because of just
As far as I'm concerned, the best governor in the Southwest. You can see. And number of youth in government, you can see them. No ways.
Stay with
It is not Anambra.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, AWKUZU Global, in continuation of your visit of the former SARS facilities, based on your promise to the youth of Anambra who were exercising their legitimate rights by expressing their displeasure on happenings in the system and police brutality and SARS. You made a promise that you were going to visit our former facilities, which I assured you that I have complied with the ICC directive to disband SARS. Right now, I have converted the services to state CID. That's why Mayaki is here, Deputy Commissioner of Police, now overseeing this case on behalf of the Nigerian Police. All suspects that are kept here are for very, very serious offenses, but actually not variable like armed robbery. As we speak, over the weekend, we were in court with all of them. These are the court papers where they have been remanded into prison custody. That is 8 and 6 of them or thereabout. And why they are still here is because the Onitsha prison facility, the correctional center, does not accept remanded prisoners on Monday. So God willing, on Tuesday, we shall move them to Onitsha prison. Also, after screening, there are some few prisoners that the Excellency has directed and promised the youth of Anambra they will release to a reliable shorty on bail. They are here and as directed by Excellency, and we have complied with that. Once they meet the shorties come, they will be released, and the bail is unconditional. They are not going to stand up. Let's stand up. They are not going to pay a dime. Thank you, Excellency.
What's your name?
My name is Njenje.
Are you from where?
I'm from Enugu State.
So why are you here?
I'm here because someone mentioned my name that he sold a car for me. But when I got here, he said he don't sell any car for me because he mentioned my name out of culture.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is EWKUZU from
Are you from where?
I'm from Enugu State.
So why are you here?
Why I'm here is that somebody enter a life because of I'm the chairman of my village. That's what
My name is Stephen John. I'm from Jos.
Huh?
My name is Stephen John. I'm from Jos.
You are from Jos.
Yes.
Okay, so why are you here?
Let's go into town.
So how you come manage to come here?
Jos are helping me.
What time of the night?
5
In the morning. Okay. CP, allow them to bail.
Use the microphone.
So,
So all of us we live the same line.
This is life.
yeah, yeah, CP, allow them to go on bail while you fully investigate what has happened. You want to take a shot? Your offenses are that's what we said. We will need shot because if you do the best of thing, they may say that there was a kill and another time for them. So when someone tells them a shot, that would be an evidence. Could I release this guy? Because I can let them go right away. Or is there any other process? Yeah. So, two of you are ready. So go and carry your things and don't sleep anymore. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in line with the promise I made the Anambra youth that first the retired SARS officer that they wanted fired from administration we had done so. We wanted a panel set up. We have appointed a retired lady chief judge, Mrs. Ume, to chair the this August body panel, and of course, Attorney General and some youths are members of this panel. I will inaugurate them on Monday evening so that they can start work. Everybody that has a petition against the dispensers or whatever and apply can appear before that panel. What is important is to let you know that so far you've done very well. Your demonstration has been very peaceful, although in one or two instances roads were blocked. Let me also caution that while you have a right to do what you're doing, you don't have the right to block people from going about their business. So blocking of road is not going to be accepted. Anybody that does that will lose my confidence, and we are going to deal with that fellow decisive. Go about your business if you can, if you want, but don't block road, please. Then it's important to mention here that all the points you raised, seven of them, when I spoke with you 2 days ago, I have addressed all of them. So you have no business being on the street any longer. Go about your business, leave the rest to your governor. I'm already doing that. So go about your business, don't stay on the road, it's raining and all this stuff. You've made your point, and your point has been heard. I also want to encourage the Nigerian police, do not be disillusioned by the incidents of these few days. Most of you posted to Anambra are doing great job. Great job. You know, that's why we have Anambra is the safest state in Nigeria. So I don't want you to be demoralized or to be, to be demoralized by this incident. Rather, take it as a wake-up call for you to bring up your professionalism in the day-to-day performance of your assignment or duties, that the case may be. You know, so I want to see your morale come up, because since this incident, most of you are no longer wearing uniform. Why? You know, you must be courageous. You know, and the governor will support you. You know, so the youths, great Anambra youths.
Great!
Great Anambra youths.
Great!
Please, this is the end of the demonstration. Everybody go home. I've addressed all your points. I've come to AWKUZU, SARS. That's where I'm, former SARS. That's where I'm standing now. You know, so everything you requested for, I have done. So please go about your business and make yourself useful for your family. You know, on this note, I want to thank you and commend you again for showing example to Nigerian youths how to behave. Your behavior in Anambra was exceptional. We did not have one single casualty, and nobody destroyed anybody's anything. You know, so please keep it up that way. And on this note, I wish you all well. Thank you, and God bless you.
You